Coming is a iPad with a model designation of, a model designation A1822, serial number HP9X. Rear camera does not appear to be cracked. The power button is operational, and the home button is operational. Volume up, volume down. It does have positive tactile feedback, and the digitizer appears to be functional across a random 6-point region test. Looks like the digitizer has a few cracks in it, and it appears the customer wants to get that repaired again. He has been a former customer of ours before with this particular device. We're going to go ahead and pull up the previous service record and see if we can issue another estimate for the customer.